Hi guys, it's Josh from World of Camping, and in this video we're going to be going through a various range of repair kits, and I'm going to be going through the contents of each kit. That way it might give you a better understanding as to which kit would suit you. So starting off, we've got the Stormshore Flexible Repair Adhesive. This comes in a 15-gram tube, either in clear, white, black or khaki. It also comes with a pair of gloves for when you're using the adhesive, because you don't want to get sticky residue on your hands. This has a really wide use of purposes. It can be used from, say you'll have a pair of walking boots and the sole has come away from the boots. You can use this, it's going to be waterproof, it's going to be flexible. Or say you were coming down to Cornwall or the seaside and you have a stand-up paddleboard and you get a small puncture or a hole, this is going to be able to repair that, and it's going to be waterproof, it's going to be flexible, and it's going to be durable. It takes 12 hours to set, so it's not an instant fix, but if you want something that's going to have a bit more longevity and a bit more of a permanent fix, this is a really good option. We then have Tough Tape. Tough Tape is fantastic. It's great for repairing bladders in air tents. It can also be used on items of clothing, and it sticks to most things other than silicone based. It doesn't stick to silicone. It just comes in a sticker. It's just a flexible, waterproof sticker. So say you're out camping or you're out on a hike, you get a cut in your jacket, you can put a section of this on there, and Tough Tape actually claim that it can last up to 3 washing cycles on clothing. It comes in 0.5 meter and 2 meter sections, so plenty there. If you get a 2 meter or 0.5 meter section, you can repair quite a fair bit with that. Takes up no space. It's a really good thing to take with you when you're camping. We then have the Stormshore inflatable tent repair. This comes with basically everything you're going to need for repairing your air tent or any small punctures or anything like that. We have 2 Tough Tape stickers, 2 round Tough Tape stickers, 1 large section of rectangular Tough Tape, which is actually split into 3 different sections, an adhesive alcohol wipe for cleaning the surface before you put adhesive on, a small section of flexible adhesive in a tube similar to that one, a pair of gloves, and also a small spatula, which I think is a really good thing for applying the adhesive, because it's so sticky you don't want to get it all necessarily mushed up with your gloves. But that is going to be all of these products you want to kind of think of in the way that if you were camping with a normal pole tent, you'd take duct tape in case there was a crack or something. Having these is kind of just a really good backup and an essential thing to take with you, just in case of the worst. You have some of these things with you. If you have a problem, it's not going to ruin your camping trip. You'll be able to repair it and enjoy the rest of your trip. Lastly then, we have the Outwall Air Repair Tube. This comes in 4 different lengths. This is the red section. If you check our website, we have all the details on the different lengths and sizes. And this kit includes an entirely new bladder for your air tent with the valve pre-attached. It also comes with 2 adhesive stickers similar to Tough Tape if there's any other issues, and it also comes with a valve locking tool. 9 times out of 10, if you get a slow leak in an air tent bladder, it could just be that the valve is loose, so having the locking tool to tighten it up is going to be able to sort it out. Again, if you're doing a lot of air tent camping, this is a fantastic thing to just take with you just as a backup. But yeah, that's some of our repair range from World of Camping. Thanks for watching, guys.